to Adrice's Kitchen 6ix9ine tonight. Have I got a side dish for you made from turnip bottoms? Yes, my grandmother used to love these. She used to prepare hers with some fresh string beans and some smoked meat and some turnip bottoms. Slice them up. Let me share with you my recipe. You don't need anything. They got now this smoked jerk slice turkey drumstick. That's all the meat you need and all the seasoning you need. Okay? Whew. This is how I'm eating mine tonight. With some cornbread, some fresh tomatoes, with some salt and pepper. Yes. That's all you need. Put it all in a skillet. Saute it. And when the string beans, about 10 minutes before the string beans are done, throw those sliced turnip bottoms over in there. Whoa, I'm in heaven. That's one of those meals gonna make you lay down and sleep and hurt yourself, okay? I'm gonna have mine with a beer, a cold beer. Let it be a Heineken, right? I didn't use any of our Sneebies Love Their Barbecue spice tonight, but if you would like to, try it out. Go to sunmoonproducts.com, y'all, and play with your recipes. Good eating.